Hey guys, welcome to the 1 minute review. Today I'm looking at an Admiral AM FM clock radio. This is a vintage clock radio from the 70s, made in USA, model number CRF 6100. That's what it says. It is made in Rockwell International, is the subsidiary of Rockwell International, made in Illinois. So this is what it looks like. It's a small clock radio. Really nice. It lights up the dial. It does work, as you can see. AM and FM. I'll turn it on for you so you can hear what it sounds like. So the AM has a little bit of static. There's a little bit of work on AM, but FM does work. You can hear. So you can hear that. It does tune in.
You think people see him in Pittsburgh?
So you can see how that does work. It does work, like I said, but the AM has some issues, but it's still a beautiful vintage clock. You can see it's got that brown and tan look to it. It is an Admiral, and the clock is working, as you can see. Just wanted to show you this nice 1 minute review to show you this beautiful vintage clock. All around, definitely a nice quality, as you can see. In the back of it, this is where you adjust the time and also the alarm right back here. That's what I have for you. Thanks for watching.